Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Orbofi token. The Orbofi AI token, ticker symbol OBI, will be listed today, May 29th, on a big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Orbofi AI token. So it says, exciting news for the Orbofi AI community. Orbofi AI's native token, OBI, is scheduled for listing on Mexc Global. Set your clocks for this Monday, the 29th at 12 p.m. UTC time. Orbofi's continuing mission of leading the generative AI space in Web3 will take a major leap. Don't forget the date. You certainly won't want to miss this. So, May 29th at 12 p.m. UTC time, which is today, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search OBI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, Orbofi AI's Twitter is at Orbofi. They have 83,100 Twitter followers. They have the blue check mark. This is a very well-established project here. Their webpage is orbofi.com. And over there you can find a full white paper, a document section. It'll take you over to wiki.orbofi.com, and there's all sorts of information over there. So Orbofi is the ultimate AI-generated content layer and AI asset factory and distribution platform for Web3, games, and the metaverse. Orbofi empowers individuals to create AI-generated game assets and media assets in seconds with artificial intelligence, tokenize them on the blockchain, and monetize their assets and virtual factories for crypto. Orbofi is on a mission to make imagination a collective and incentivized experience and power the current and next evolution of user-generated virtual factories, economies, stories, 3D worlds, and gamified experiences with AI and blockchain. The more the world turns virtual, the more virtual factories that can generate hundreds of thousands of assets in seconds. It becomes more important in the new internet experience, identity, and internet economy. AI is only positively boosting this transition and democratizing asset creation for everybody, everywhere. So what can you do with Orbofi? Number one, you can create AI-generated 2D assets for games, media, and the metaverse, tokenize them on the blockchain, and sell them for crypto. You can create AI using different frameworks, text to image to image, depth to image, and many more possibilities along the way that enable individuals around the world to create high-quality assets better and faster. The importance of blockchain tokenization is to empower your own prompts and your creations and be able to monetize them in a permissionless way. So the second thing you can do is create virtual good factories and earn when people use them. Create your own AI virtual asset factory and generate hundreds of games and media assets in minutes powered by blockchain. The engine that runs virtual goods factories, aka AI models, is powered by the Dream Booth training framework, originally released and open sourced by Google AI to train diffusion models. Dream Booth is particularly effective at recognizing patterns of the data that has been trained and thus producing similar results to the data that has been trained on. You can create any kind of good virtual factory for any kind of asset, whether it's characters, prompts, architects, buildings, environments, collectibles, natural elements, UI components, GUI, photography, marketing assets, logos, terrains, maps, and literally anything you have in mind. You can create a factory for that people can use to generate from and thus monetizing your factory along the way. The power of aggregating user-generated AI models to enhance one compromised, open-source, decentralized, and community-built AI engine. So number 3, the third thing you can do here is making imagination and asset creation a collective, social, and incentivized experience. Soon you will get to know more about this amazing feature. So that's basically all the utilities here. Now they go over them in more depth on their webpage. You can check out tutorials like how to create an AI asset, text to image to NFT, image to image, tokenize AI assets on the blockchain, create an AI model like a virtual factory. There is research papers on here that you could check out. There is a system smart contract. There's different smart contracts. This is a cross-chain token on the Binance Smart Chain, the Polygon chain, the Ethereum blockchain. There's tokenomics on their white paper as well. We basically went over all the utility already, and there is basically it's split up like this. So 10% of the tokens go to seed sale, 4% strategy, 5% public, 9% liquidity, 16% team and future employees, 2% advisory, 12% developer ecosystem, 15% reserve, 6% marketing and airdrops, 7% staking rewards, 2% subscribers, 12% create and earn, and overall there is a total supply of 2 billion tokens. You can review their team and partners on their webpage at wiki.orbofi.com, and there is a gigantic roadmap that talks about the release of all those utilities and what type of marketing and listings and things like that you're going to do. So you can check that out in the roadmap section. Wiki.orbofi.com is where you can find all the info, and you can find this token newly listed as of today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.